Lemon.
Lemon 4, lemon 11.
Lemon 2, lemon 11.
Lemon 5.
Lemon 5, lemon 3.
Lemon 3, lemon 5.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is part 2 of my road trip to Benin Republic. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button right now and give this video a very big thumbs up. If you're coming across this page for the first time, I'm a travel vlogger. Please do to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so moving on, we moved from Babstock and we came down to Rida. We're here to see the slave route, the bridge of no return, and the dark room. So this is the beginning. I'm not going to be saying too much because I want you guys to actually enjoy the original sound. So here you go.
We are in Rida, but the real name of the country was the Queda Kingdom. It was a kingdom which was known by 5 European countries. We had the Portuguese, the French, England, Denmark, and Holland. At that time, when they came to the country, they had difficult to pronounce the authentic name of the country, Queda. Then for saying Queda, we had those Portuguese we said Ajuda. The Denmark and the Holland, they said Huda or Fiuda. The England, they said Wahida. But the French, they said Wida. We was colonized by the France, then we talked about Wida since that time to now.
Okay.
The Great Slave Road starts by the center of Benin. It is Abome to...
So this is where the slave journey began, and this house used to belong to one of the biggest slave masters. This is where they assemble them, and from here they take them to somewhere they call the dark room. So this is where the dark room is situated, but it doesn't exist anymore after the whole slave trade was abolished. So the building was brought down, and this is what was left of it. There are art sculptures of what the slaves used to look like when they were inside the dark room. So before they bring them to the dark room, they take them to a tree they call the tree of forgetfulness. They make the slaves go around the tree 3 times. They make the slaves go around the tree 3 times, and then they bring them to this dark room where they see little to nothing, as there will be just one small window for air to come in through, and if you rebel, they will kill you. You know how slave trade story go. I've done a lot of slave trade story on my channel, so you know it's a similar thing. So these sculptures are what they used to look like. They cover their mouth and they are always on their knee. Crazy. And this tree is a tree where after they move them from the dark room, they bring them here. They say this tree is a magic tree. They turn around this tree 3 times as well, and their soul will be trapped here. So if they die in wherever they are, their soul will come back here.
Cuba, Alabama, Haiti, they will die over there. Their soul will come back in their country. Because here in Africa, in west of Africa, people can die, but his soul never died. It was a system to immortalize the soul of those parents.
So we finished from there and we went ahead to see the point of no return, which is by the sea, where the ships would wait for them and they will bring them down here. They walk all the way down here to get on the ship. See how they're being held there, and that's the ship at the middle. If you can see that they're trying to build something that would lead towards the sea, but they're not done yet, so we couldn't get any closer. As you can see the whole fencing around the building. So from here you moved on to the Python temple.
No key snake. Oh.
And they chop snake.
You dey chop snake for? Yeah. Let's go.
And we are in the first temple of Bodo in Rida, and this temple lives since 30th century. My name is Anji. I will be talking about firstly about some history of this temple, and to finish we take the...
So here at the Python temple, I learned that the name Wida means worship of Python, and so this whole Wida kingdom worships snakes. They worship the pythons. Here, this lady was just telling us about the Iroko tree that you're looking at and how it is used for festivals and how people come here to pray and ask for whatever it is that they need, and then at the end of the day, you can drop whatever it is you have. There's no particular amount of money. It's just like going to pray and all that. So this is like, and this is the first temple in Wida. And the funny thing is that there's a church just opposite the temple. So after the whole slave trade was abolished and the missionaries came in and saw what they were doing, they tried to shake them by opening a church opposite here, the Python temple, thinking to shake them. But this Python temple is still standing, as the people here are still worshiping what they want to worship.
1.35, but for the female is 1.50. You can look in the picture, you can see the female python, she's longer. But for the male python, he's short. And the meaning of Wida, here we have a calabash. We are using only calabash in this temple. And when we are talking about voodoo, it's African first culture. Voodoo is not juju, voodoo is not black magic. Voodoo is African first culture, but also the component of voodoo is water, fire, wind, and the earth. And voodoo in our local language, vo, is meant to be free, release, to go and fetch. Release, go and fetch any good thing for yourself. Exactly. When you kill a python, or when you are women, you are married without people, and you committed some
Adultery.
everywhere you go, you see the pythons. Yeah.
As in physically or
Physically, or you're sleeping, you're dreaming, you see the pythons.
What of the men?
You know that all the men are, you know them.
We don't know.
The problem is that maybe if you marry us, you say that I love you, and outside you have your own.
Yes.
Inside we have one python who have 100 years old. Yeah.
I want to sit down.
Then we come.
More fast, you know. Say you don't go wait.
So you know why they bell like this?
And this python is a male python. It has 16 years old.
Okay, now baby.
Yeah.
When I baby now.
I'm 16 years.
60
or 60.
It's how this guy was so fascinated about the snakes for me, because what is this? What is this?
Yeah, your own don't come out. You can't go out, do it. Boy, no.
So according to the lady, every evening they let out the snakes to go out and wander, and then they come back into the temple. Hey, Jesus Christ. And there are more snakes inside the temple, but I didn't go in. People did, but me, I know, I just couldn't. I'm not doing that. No way, guys. Sorry. I can't. No. Y'all are crazy. Why are you doing that? No, go now. Nico. It's just normal, like, it's because you have it on your
Not too fast. The guide of the distance of the slave workers. Okay.
Make me proud.
You got it. I'm with you.
This kind of Davido style you want to like this. Smile now for the camera. Smile for the camera. Smile for YouTube.
do it for the culture now, for YouTube.
Touch it now, touch it.
Guys, I tried to. That shit was crazy. Never try that in my life. Ever again. Go on to the next stop, though.
Lemon 3, lemon 6.
I have an objection.
6, will be 6.
Thank you.
Go back now, walk, don't start. This one, every day we see.
Oh my God, see the breeze here change. Oh.
See our life.
No, I'm not putting in my video. Okay.
Yes, guys. Now to the fun stuff. We're here at Casa de Papa. Yay! So beautiful. The color, the environment. It's just here by the sea. Like, it's just like here by the sea. It was so cool. And this place reminded me of Obudukato Ranch because that's how the chalets looked like, the bunk and everything. So here's the restaurant. You can say that. It's a restaurant. Anyways, I just decided to check around while they were trying to check us in. So this is where we come to eat and have some drinks and just, relax. And the best part of it was the pool.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about. For people like me that cannot swim.
No, just sit down here. Put your leg in.
Woo! This is so cool. Today. And we're going to our rooms, trying to look at our rooms. I'm really like exhausted, but we're here now, so this is my chalet. Ooh. Wardrobe and bathroom, and of course.
So after we settled down, some people came to have some late night swimming, just relax and feel the cool breeze. Why me, myself, I decided to go get myself a drink. See me being cute. Oh, fine girl. Come on. Anyways, I got my cocktail really strong. That would just knock me out. I'll just sleep and just go. That was it. And next thing, it was time for breakfast. Yes. Of course, the buffet. We just not like come here and just have some food while we get ready for the activities of the day, being that it was our last day in Casa de Papa. So I was just here being a cutie, having my food and just looking at nature. Pardon me, guys, don't mind me. Anyways, after we ate our food, we decided to go closer and see the beach. So me and my roomie were just here basking in the sun and enjoying the water, just play around, just relax and just, take pictures, of course, and make videos for you guys to see, obviously. So after we finished at the beach, we went to the pool while the other half of the team were here at the lake to kayak. You guys already know me and kayaking. I'm not doing kayaking after the one I did in Abuja. I don't vow, so I know they do kayaking again. So I was at the pool with the other team while these ones were here kayaking.
And so guys, we've come to the end of this trip. It is time for us to go back to our motherland, Nigeria, and this is a wrap. I hope you had fun watching this video as much as I had fun making them for you. Till I see you on my next video. Bye. Bye.
Let's take a shot together.